Gutters overflowing when it rains hard is one of the most annoying problems that can totally wreck your home's foundation if you don't fix it fast. So, first off, check if your gutters are too small for the amount of rain your area gets. Sometimes the standard size just can't keep up. If that's the case, upgrading to bigger gutters can make a huge difference because they hold way more water. Next, make sure you've got enough downspouts. Adding a couple more spreads out the water better and keeps things flowing smooth. Keep gutters clean from leaves and debris because clogs are the main reason for overflow, and regular cleaning can save you from costly repairs. Also, check the pitch of your gutters. If they aren't angled just right, water won't drain properly and ends up spilling over. Adding gutter guards can help keep stuff out, but don't trust them alone. Still gotta check and clean regularly. If you see water pooling near your foundation after it rains, that's a sign you might need to extend your downspouts so water drains way further from your house. Lastly, think about installing splash blocks or drainage pipes at the end of downspouts to guide water safely away. One of the biggest mistakes people make with gutters overflowing during heavy rain is ignoring the size of their gutters, which leads to constant backups. Fix this by upgrading to wider ones designed for heavy rain areas. Another common issue is having too few downspouts, which causes water to pile up and spill over. Adding extra downspouts evenly spaced can stop that mess. The third problem is clogged gutters full of leaves and twigs, and if you don't clean them out regularly, water will find its way over the sides. So set a reminder to clean them at least twice a year or invest in good gutter guards, but still check them often. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know what they're doing when it comes to gutter repairs and upgrades. At the same time, it gives contractors a way to connect with people looking for expert help, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right.